Next is the tokenomics of the Fast Track Token project. Let's get it going. This is a long read. Fair tokenomics. The tokenomics refer to all the qualities of a crypto token that makes it appealing to investors. The distribution and token allocation is given here to build our vehicle for a democracy on fair tokenomics and launch with no crazy dev taxes, no pre-sale, no developer tokens. The distribution, Fast Track Token project, fair launch, 80%, 10% exchange listings, 5% marketing, 5% development. Technical details of the Fast Track Token project. The Fast Track Token is issued based on the parameters shown in the tables below. There's the token name, the symbol, FAST, TRK, total supply 5 trillion, circulating supply 4.5 trillion, decimals 18, block BSC, token standard BEP20, you know what I mean. Okay, next up. Here are the Fast Track Token project's NFTs. These are gonna be given away to our holders. It's gonna be pretty interesting. They're gonna be in use when the game comes out. It's pretty cool stuff. There's Fast Track one. Let's go check out the Backtrack one. Yeah, we're just gonna go through these all and just let you guys look at them. Here's the sidetrack. Here's the half track. Okay, next up, we're heading over to the white paper right now. This is the Fast Track Token project white paper. Time for our fat read. Meet your riders, fast track, backtrack, sidetrack, half track. Disclaimer: this information is provided for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only, without any express or implied warranties of any kind, including guarantees of accuracy, completeness, or suitability for any particular purpose. The information provided on or through this website and podcast is not intended to be used as financial, investment, trading, or other advice. You should not make any financial investments, commercial, or other decisions based on any information presented on the site without independent recruitment and consultation with the account of any professional broker or financial advice. You understand that you are using all the information available on or through this website to be best of your knowledge. Okay. Contents. Disclaimer. Mission. Introduction to cryptocurrency. Advantages of cryptocurrency. Disadvantages of cryptocurrency. What is the Fast Track Token project? The perfect mechanism and way to earn. What are non-fungible tokens? LP progression. Fair tokenomics. Distribution. Technical details of Fast Track. Risks and concerns. Conclusion. The mission. The blockchain industry has grown dramatically over the past decade. There is no doubt about it, especially now that thousands of digital currencies have spread across industries and sectors, which has had a major impact on the world. When Satoshi Nakamoto first introduced the Bitcoin currency in 2009, it meant a revolution in the financial sector and a fundamental change that came about because of our having money. We aim to launch BEP20 tokens on the Binance Smart Chain BSC network, your first trust fund cryptocurrency from which you can build your wealth. We aim to provide a secure way for high volume transactions within the crypto space. The Fast Track Token project will provide updates and serve crypto traders price movement predictions. Number 1, introduction to cryptocurrency. Okay. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that can be used to purchase goods and services, but it's uses an online ledger with strong cryptography to secure online transactions. It is a digital or virtual currency that is protected from cryptography, making it nearly impossible to spend it fraudulently or duplicated. A cryptocurrency is something that uses digital files as money without a physical presence, not issued by some central authorities. 1.1. Advantages of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency provides a platform where two parties can easily transfer money without the participation of a trusted third party such as a bank or credit card company. Cryptocurrencies are digital and cannot be forged or tampered with by the sender like credit card chargebacks. It has no physical form and is only used for online transactions. However, there are many websites where a user can convert cryptocurrencies into real money. Cryptocurrencies funds can be used for lower processing fees and allow the users to charge higher fees through banks and other financial institutions. 1.2. Disadvantages of cryptocurrencies. High volatility. Potential money for illegal activities. Cryptocurrency storage. Cases are non-refundable. What is the Fast Track Token project? The Fast Track Token project built on the Binance Smart Chain. The Fast Track Token is a project with the ability to utilize. Is this the same thing as the homepage? Yup. So basically, I already said this in the homepage, so let's just skip past that so I don't repeat myself. 2.1, perfect mechanism and way to earn. Holders of Fast Track Token benefited not only from a static reward, but also Fast Track holders can be rewarded VIP exclusive NFTs can be used in-game purchases. What are non-fungible tokens? So NFTs for short. NFT is a type of token that is distinct from each other and cannot be interchanged. Each NFT has a unique ID which is created for specific purposes. NFTs are used within the game to represent or buy in-game items like avatars, game rewards, weapons, lands, and more, giving them real value and making them to actually exist in a digital form on blockchain so that you can transfer and trade them. Number 3, LP progression. Compound your investments. Every transaction automatically generates more liquidity throughout multiple exchanges, allowing a faster growth in community. Tokens cannot be accessed in the liquidity pool, not even by the development team. They live in the wallet and that no one else has. When a new transaction occurs, tokens are sent to this inaccessible wallet. This eliminates fear that guaranteed liquidity may be eliminated. Number 4, fair tokenomics. These are the same tokenomics. So fair launch, 80%. 10% exchange listing, 5% marketing, 5% development. So technical details, the same things we just talked about in the past section. There you go. Total supply, 5 trillion, circulating 4.5, boop, boop, boop. Risk and concerns. Information published in the white paper. This white paper provides general information and content. You are not authorized and should not rely on this white paper for legal, business, or other advice. You act at your own risk, relying on the content of the official document. If you choose to act or not, you should contact a licensed lawyer in the appropriate jurisdiction with which you want or need assistance. We are not the owner and do not endorse the technical document in any way. The white paper is not responsible for the actions or decisions you make or any other behaviors that depend on it. Investment risks. The team does not recommend anyone to buy, sell, or store cryptocurrencies before making any investment decisions. Consult with your long-term employee and financial advisor. By purchasing Fast Track you agree that you are not purchasing securities or investments, and that you agree not to harm this team in their liability for any losses or attacks. You are also agree that the team provides the token as is and does not require any assistance or service. Compliance with tax obligations. The team does not guarantee compliance with any country in the world. Be sure to comply with local laws and regulations before purchasing. No guarantee. The technical document is provided as is, without warranty of any kind, with respect for technical document and or any content and or services provided in the technical document. Limitations of liability. Unless otherwise required by law, the website owner or his affiliates are in no way liable for any damages of any kind, including when using the website, in connection with the use of the white paper, or in any other way, including reduction, loss, or profits, loss of data. So basically, we're not liable for any losses, just in case something shit happens. Who knows? Abbreviation. Readers of the white paper agrees to mediate any dispute or disclaimer, copyright, logo, trademark, trade name, trade secrets, or patent disputes. Future statement. This white paper may have future data issues, such as statements are subject to risk and uncertainty. Participants are cautioned not to rely too much on this pending data. Actual results or subsequent events may differ from the advice given here. The team does not guarantee the accuracy of future data included in this white paper. Conclusion. The Fast Track project is launched with the aim of building a financial infrastructure for those who were previously isolated. We use the most modern and voluminous technology, a blockchain that can integrate mobile applications with third-party plans. The science of cryptocurrency economies will also contribute to the well-being of the developing countries and can even benefit large economies. Economics. An increase in the number of crypto economics consumers will lead to growth in the industry. For developing countries, poverty reduction, long-term employment, and economic growth. Sorry about that. The more savings and opportunities, the higher credibility of the population. Collecting customers' financial data reduces your debt risk. Reduced class inequality. Financial services can provide new opportunities for billions of people living on less than £2 a day and transform them into a middle class that will improve their lives. For developed countries, improving the economic situation of the third world countries can reduce the current immigration problems faced by the modern economy, where immigration places a serious burden on the social security systems and associated high prices. The fast track tokens are not about welfare or philanthropy. Can't even say that word. Never seen that word before. We are more focused on empowering people to change lives and free themselves from economic inequality by participating in a new digital economy that can help build. And that's the end of the white paper. So next thing, I see that you made it to the end of the video, so if you would be so kind to give a sub down below, give a like, comment, share this content. Let's get this channel blowing up.